Hi, today we're going to be working on red words. Um, one red word, and that is some. I'm going to give you a sentence for some. I would love some cheesecake. um, some is one of the words that we are working on today, or the word we're working on today. We're going to do our red word sheet. So make sure that you have your red crayon and your screen and your paper. And if you don't have your paper, you can just use a blank piece of paper. That's fine too. So our screen goes underneath, as always. All right. We're going to write the word some 3 times and underline it. Say the letters as we write it. Here we go. S O M E some. Let's do it again. S O M E some. We're going to do it one more time. Here we go. S O M E some. Good. Now put your red crayon down and get your finger out. We're going to feel the bumpies on our word. Here we go. 3 times. S O M E some. Keep going. S O M E some. Good. One more time. S O M E some. Good. Now stand up, or you can sit down. It don't matter. We're going to tap out our words. So grab your paper, put it out in front of you, and let's tap it out. Here we go. S O M E some. S O M E some. S O M E some. Nice job. All right, now we're going to take our screen and we're going to put it on top of the word some, and we're going to feel more bumps. Let's trace it 3 times. S O M E some. S O M E some. One last time. S O M E some. Good. You can put your screen away. Get your red crayon. Now we're going to write it 3 times. Best handwriting. All right, here we go. S O M E some. If you make a mistake, remember, just cross it out and write it on the side. Let's do it again. S O M E some. Good. One last time. S O M E some. Good. All right, flip it over like a pancake. And it's the thinking bubble. All right, write the word some all by yourself. Good job. Now, let's write a sentence. Um, the sentence I'm going to write today is I see some catfish. I see some catfish. Let's see how many words. I see some catfish. Now remember, catfish is a compound word. It has 2 words together. When you smush them together, they have 1 word, and that's catfish. It's not 2 words, catfish. All right. I is the first word. Make sure it's capital. Always capital the I. Then we're going to put our eraser space. Or you can use anything you have, something that gives you a space. C, S-E-E, that's a red word. You should know that one. Some is our word today. How do we spell some? Good. S-O-M-E. Nice. And I'm not going to have enough room for catfish, so I'm going to go down to the next line. Now remember, catfish is a compound word, so what's the first word? Catfish. Cat, and then what's the second word? Fish. Okay, So let's write that first word in catfish. Cat. How do we spell cat? You know how to spell cat. C-A-T. And then we're going to write fish. Ooh, it's got that diagram. Fish. And how do we end our sentence? With a period. Good job. Let's read it. I see some catfish. Very good. This is our word for the day. It is some. The next letter we're going to work on is come, and I'll do that in the next video. All right. See you. Bye.